and stability within the Northeast sub-region, and continuing with the initiative of your predecessor in sustaining the fight against insurgency. As a sub-region, we have the peculiarity of having to manage large states with unmanned forest, gorges, deserts, mountains, and rivers, which make them inaccessible, often hard to reach and almost becoming ungoverned spaces, and thereby exacerbating the security challenges of the region. We are fully aligning with Mr. President's good initiative of training of manpower and providing technology with a view to reversing the ugly trend in the forest, thereby reducing the insurgency and promoting agricultural development in alignment with the renewed hope agenda on food security. In terms of environmental sustainability, we really thank Mr. President for your intervention in mitigating the menace of flood, desertification, and other natural disasters. However, the region having suffered so much environmental and developmental setbacks arising from long period of neglect and abandonment, we wish to leverage on Mr. President's renewed hope agenda to reverse these ugly trends by giving special attention to us in the following areas. 1, continued military operations in the shores of the Lake Chad, Dajin Madama, Mandara Hills, Sambisa Game Reserve, Mansur, Yalua, Futuk, Kolmani areas, Karin Lamido Forest, amongst others. Provision of funding to MNJTF for military operations in the Tumbus of the Lake Chad. Completion of ongoing road projects and building of critical roads connecting the state, like Kano-Maiduguri Road, Fort Harcourt, Jos, Bauchi-Maiduguri Railway Line, Bama-Mubi Road, Yola Road, Ukari Jalingo Yola Road, Duguri Mansur Road, Bauchi Gombe Biu Damatur Road, Damatur Gaidam Road, Bauchi Ningi Nasaru Babaldo Road, Gombe Potiskum Damaturu Biu Road, Alkaleri Putuk Road, Maiduguri Domboa Yola Road, Domboa Duku Tarazo Road, Biu Gombe Road, Ibisham Dam Road. Maiduguri Mongono Bagar Road, Maiduguri Ngalabama Road, and Banki Roads. Resumption of oil exploration in the frontier wells, in particular Kolmani and Lake Chad wells. Finally, Your Excellency, sir, the Northeast governors hold you in high esteem. And all of us, again, all of us have resolved to partner with you in your about determination to provide good governance for Nigeria with a view to leaving behind lasting legacies and landmarks for the country. Thank you very much, sir.
We welcome Your Excellency.
Our history had started well since we started this administration. We started very well with challenges, clear challenges. But we didn't see it as insurmountable challenges. Because we accept for one thing, that we all campaigned, danced to natural or creative music to convince people that we are better candidates for our various parties. And we won elections. Sold manifestos, So we didn't differentiate on party basis. We won elections. And ever since we faced the challenge of governance, I thank all of you for a well-started journey, the collaboration, the advice, the objective of delivering dividend of democracy in various forms. I noted the challenges of Ebonu, Yobe, Bauchi, the challenges of, other states. I make fun of, all the time. Baba, the infantry from Adamawa and Taraba without its growth of COVID. The conflict is all over the place, but you've managed well in collaboration with the federal government. The security challenges are getting clearer. We know it cannot be eliminated in just a snap of finger. We've seen development. I congratulate Yobe for having 2 students that became extremely outstanding and rewarding in their achievements. So in the face of all challenges and all of that, I see your efforts. I hope you are seeing mine too. And in the short run of 2 years, we can beat our chest. The economy has turned around. Many of you are already settling back the displaced citizens, the housing program you embark upon in Borno, and collectively seeing how displaced people are returning back to their normal residences and having a roof on their head. The conflict is going down, progress has been made, and we should continue to collaborate. I've been looking at the security situation more carefully. I've seen civilian JTF, or what you call it, to react to the security challenges, find so many creative ways you people have been going to protect the neighborhood and communities around you. And that has provoked my thinking about, state police again. Politics apart. We can discuss with the National Assembly leadership to really, look at critical path to that again, and see how we can eliminate those political alliances out of a state police that will be indigenous to the community and provide the additional safety buffer and effectiveness in the area. we have to look at it collectively together. We are doing our best on the infrastructure. We are doing our best in education. We are doing a very, very good job in the health sector of, our country. I believe you can collectively put together additional resources the way we have committed the last 2 years of budget to health improvement, sector improvement for the citizens. We will be able to, reverse the decay of several years. In the political environment, we have been drawn into early, political activities from our rival political parties. Whichever way it is, I'm not distracted. I am solidly focused, laser focused on what is ahead. Politics and calendarization will happen at any given time. It is maturity. But what we have seen come from the Northeast has been, a great, dedication that is yielding results. The school enrollment is getting better. People's settlement in various houses are not on the street without roofs on their head is getting better. I could see trainings going on in various states, and noted new chiefdoms being created, whether political or otherwise. At least problems are being solved. It is quite interesting. So I think working together, the way we have been, is the way to go to build Nigeria of our dreams. And we have that. There's no way politics will not interfere once in a while. It is for us to embrace the heart of winning. And from that art, we know the superior thinkers and doers. Our political party will prove itself eventually. So, I just want to say thank you very much. The agric mechanization that you have a backup, it's been supplemented by me. Even though I don't go the constitutional line of saying I have land, you are the controller of the lands and everything, I'm still doing the mechanization in a way that will be beneficial to this country. We are all driving towards food sovereignty, and we will soon have in each of the Nigerian zones, respectively, a training maintenance center for mechanized training and execution of a plan to achieve food security. I can assure you that we will do it. Thank you.